Hey guys, welcome back to Delph. Today I'll be showing you how to fix end of file Firefox. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and open up your Firefox. So guys, if you have a VPN, sometimes these are the causes of issues. So if you have a VPN, make sure to turn it off as they frequently interfere with the secure connections. Now, another option is you could just simply go through the settings of your Firefox by selecting the three lines on the top right corner, and you could just simply go for the settings. Now, over here, you could go for the left side, go for the privacy and security. Now, over here, guys, you could just simply scroll down until you find over here enable DNS over HTTPS. So guys, sometimes temporarily turning this off can fix the issue while you do your thing in order for you to fix the issue, and you can just simply turn it back on once you are done. Now, another option, guys, is select the three lines again on the top right corner, and you can just simply go for help down below, and here you will have an option more troubleshooting information, and as you can see, you will have give Firefox a tune up. So just simply select refresh Firefox and you will have this pop up over here. If you start refresh it, it will fix some performance issues, and select refresh Firefox. And now automatically it will import your data and it will refresh your Firefox normally, and you should be able to fix the issue.